Homemade lasagna and moussaka, two classic recipes. Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to Italy and Greece with two classic recipes, homemade lasagna and moussaka. Let's dive in. Homemade lasagna. Ingredients: lasagna noodles, 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 28 ounces canned crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste, 15 ounces ricotta cheese, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, fresh basil leaves, optional, for garnish. 1. Prepare the meat sauce. Heat a pan over medium heat and add olive oil. Sauté chopped onions and garlic until they become translucent. Add the ground beef and cook until browned. Stir in crushed tomatoes, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. 2. Prepare cheese mixture. In a bowl, combine ricotta cheese, half of the mozzarella, Parmesan, and 1 beaten egg. 3. Assemble the lasagna in a baking dish. Start with a layer of meat sauce. Add a layer of lasagna noodles. Spread the cheese mixture over the noodles. Repeat these layers until your dish is full. Top with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. 4. Bake. Cover with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 25 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. 5. Serve. Garnish with fresh basil leaves if desired. Moussaka. Ingredients: 2 large eggplants, sliced, 1 pound ground lamb or beef, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon allspice, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup bechamel sauce, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1. Prepare the eggplant. Slice the eggplants, sprinkle with salt, and let them sit for 15 minutes to draw out excess moisture. 2. Prepare the meat sauce in a pan, brown the meat, then add chopped onions and garlic. Stir in diced tomatoes, cinnamon, allspice, salt, and pepper. 3. Assemble the moussaka. Layer the sliced eggplants in a baking dish. Pour the meat sauce over the eggplant. 4. Bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Pour bechamel sauce over the meat and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Bake for 45-50 minutes or until the top is golden. 5. Serve. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. There you have it, two mouth-watering classics from Italy and Greece. Homemade lasagna and moussaka, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Enjoy! Subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for a delectable journey through a world of flavors. Explore diverse cuisines, from Italian pasta to Indian curries, and master culinary techniques. Make sure to demonstrate each step visually in your video and provide helpful tips and variations for your viewers to enjoy making these dishes. Thank you very much, lasagna moussaka lovers.